Do you think half the battle is won by somebody like writing?
I think it is the foundation of any product. That is, if it is not on page, it is not on stage. So it is very important that we nail the story and the telling of the story on the paper first, which it looks like we did. Otherwise, we wouldn't have had such a stellar cast, Mahesh ji's experience banking on the papers. So yes, definitely, I think half the battle is won when you have something good on paper. Another half of the battle was won when we had Mahesh ji coming on board. Because along with his experience, his sensibilities, the production and the whole team is absolutely carrying a huge basket of variety of fruits just by one man entering the whole team. So we are looking forward to his magic on stage after so many years. It is absolutely generous and kind of him to give credit to the script or a novice writer like myself. And I'm absolutely gratified about the whole thing.
Kept Manji on the mind while writing this?
Absolutely, I did. I definitely kept him in mind while writing, and that is 50%. The rest 50%, I'd like to give justice to the story and the character in itself. Because he's again such an actor who can imbibe a variety of characters and nuances in himself. He's a man with a lot of, a big, huge range in himself. So when you have such an actor, as a writer you have the freedom of etching the character as the story demands. Because you know the actor is going to do the justice to the character.
The last one, what is the USP of stand-up, Mr. Khurana?
The USP of stand-up Mr. Khurana lies in its title itself. A man who's going to stand up again on his feet. Because it's never late to do that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Just be there. So good to see you.
Thank you.
You said when I heard it. After so long, how's the feeling altogether?
The feeling is of extreme excitement, anxiousness, that nervous energy which goes into you. So I'm absolutely with that nervous energy right now. Pehla show hai, काफी rehearsal चल रहा था and doing the entire run-throughs and all. So mentally yes we are prepared, but होता है ना audience के सामने पहली बार जाना, तो वो आज होगा.
How's the feeling? Do you get nostalgic coming back to the pavilion where you started from?
Well, I didn't start from theatre, to make myself clear. I have done theatre in the past. Lekin to come back to do theatre after a good 7 years of hiatus is a challenge which I took it up, because as you grow older, theatre is something जहाँ पे ज़्यादा effort होता है. You have to really memorize the lines, really be pat on dialogues. It's too much happening at the same time. It's an actor's medium. तो ज़्यादा करके जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं towards theatre, they don't tend to go once they get comfortable in television films and वो नहीं करते. I said I have to get back on theatre because it's something which is, it's an inborn thing. You need to prove to yourself that yes, you still have it in you to do theatre. तो मेरा ये take है on it.
The last one, stand-up Mr. Khurana. What the show is all about?
The show is about Mr. Khurana जो बैठ चुके हैं और अब वो खड़े होंगे. Just joking. It's about him standing up once again in life. अब उसका करियर ख़त्म हो चुका है और वो दोबारा अपना करियर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं thanks to his daughter.
It is in the genre of comedy zone.
Absolutely. उसके बिना तो हम क्या करेंगे? Emotion तो है ही है, लेकिन कॉमेडी के साथ है भाई.
The last one, do you think what is the most difficult part? किसी को हंसाना या किसी को emotional?
किसी को रुलाना?
Yes.
नहीं, I think definitely it's किसी को हंसाना. So Hasana is something which is very difficult. It doesn't come easy to everybody, because you have to draw upon certain energies which are, hidden somewhere. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. Have the best. Yes.
my producer, my sweet producer.
Thank you so much.
He is
Thank you
some
so
guy
much,
who's
Mahesh ji.
been with me since 12 years. 12 साल हम साथ रहे हैं. और we've done 2 plays before. ये हमारा तीसरा play है साथ में. You know, so
And you can imagine the type of wavelength we have. We all are in black now. We both are in black. And this is what shows the bond between us. And that is taking us forward for a wonderful show like this, Stand Up Mr. Khurana. And I'm sure the bond behind the stage is going to be seen on stage as well.
yes.
Yeah.
It's
So
we
thank you
hope-
so very much, Mahesh ji, for being here.
Thank you so much.
And,
It's wonderful
it's
to
a
be
pleasure.
on the show.
I would also like to call Gitali ji.
Come, Gitali ji.
It's part of Peppy Tales Films.
Yes.
So
She's also the producer with us.
Yes.
We are a team.
and
Yeah.
we have one more person in the team as well. Harsh, please
Yeah.
come.
Harsh.
This is how the whole journey began. And Peppy Tales Films की शुरुआत यहाँ से हुई. And Mahesh ji is here to just support us for.
To do what I do.
How difficult it is, difficult and easy to get somebody like a caliber actor, a fantastic actor like Mahesh sir to be on board. What was your, the time when you approached him
So
to be
my
on board?
my very first thing is that I should get a right script and a right role for him, and everything else is done for.
He did pick a right script for me. ना बोल ही नहीं सकता था, इतना कमाल का script था. तो I'm right here to perform for you. I hope you'll enjoy.
How's the feeling altogether? You'll be going live in front of all the audience.
Oh yes. It's nervous energy, it's excitement, it's everything put together.
So when first time Mahesh ji did a play called Saath Rahega Always, Naisargi was not even born, and now my daughter Naisargi is 13 years,
Yes.
and here she is to again, get here to entertain.
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, I'm so honored to be part of the team. Thanks to Peppy Tale Films and Sachin Bhai to give me that opportunity to do the costumes for the whole team. All the best. It's a beautiful story of father and daughter and must see. All the best to the full team. Thank you.
कैसा लगा show? क्या
Very nice, lovely.
Yeah, we liked.
Show, the first half was very good. Second half went on a plateau and finale is a finale.
It's nice. Very good.
what do you think the best
No,
part
no,
of the show?
no, it is very good, fantastic drama.
So the stand-up comedy was very good. We expected a little bit of that. And on the whole, I would say the 4-star show, yeah.
Enjoyed the show. Thank you.
What is the best part about the show?
Real good. Well, Priya, what's her name?
Out of
5.
Sir, how do you like the show?
Very good, very good, nice.
Out of 5 star. Out of 5 star.
5 star.
5 star. 5 star.
Sir, how do you
Yeah, it's good. Very good. Entertaining.
like out of 5 star, how many star?
Definitely 5.
Sir, how do you like the show?
It was very good.
What is the best part you think about the show is?
As actors, and especially that girl, Kanak. She was.
She stole the show. Being a newcomer, she was really very good.
Out of 5 star, how many star?
We'll give
10 stars.
out of how many?
10.
4.8.
How do you like the show?
Very good. We enjoyed it thoroughly.
How many star out of 5?
5.
Ma'am, how do you like the show?
Wonderful.
What is the best part you think about the show?
जब भी वो महेश सर और वो कनक दोनों मिले गले लगे तभी
Out of 5 star, how many star will you give? 5 में से कितने स्टार देना चाहिए?
5.
Hi, this is Kanika Gautam and I love the show. All the characters and everyone performed really well.
What do you think the best part about the show is?
Best part is starting. So there are so many scenes which I loved it. But the best part जो मुझे लगा the chemistry between daughter and father and how beautifully it is depicted on the stage. So yeah.
See, when somebody watches a film in the theater, but when you see something, artists performing on the stage that live, what do you think is the best about the artists? They perform for 2 hours.
So I'll be very frank with you because I myself a theatre artist and I have done like Broadway show, 200 show as a lead. So I know the kind of hard work it requires to perform for 3 hours because it's a quite long show. and it's I don't think it's any comparable. It's not comparable to any of the other performances.
Mahesh Thakur performance.
Oh my God, he's awesome. And yes, I saw him in like when I was very small kid, Shararat. So that's how I recognize him.
Out of 5 star, how many star?
I loved it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
क्या कहना चाहिए शो के बारे में?
बहुत awesome था, बहुत awesome, बहुत मज़ा आया.
What do you think the best part of being a girl? क्या खास लगा आपको? It's a relation, it's a story of a daughter and rapping.
Empowerment.
I liked how दोनों का relation उन्होंने बताया. Though it was funny, but you know it was actually how I saw my dad somewhere there. The way they behaved, also उनमें bond था. It was very real and pure.
इनका ट्रैफिक बहुत अच्छा था. मेरे को ट्रैफिक सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मुंबई में सबसे ज़्यादा वही होता है. उन्होंने वो टॉपिक बहुत अच्छा लिया था, ट्रैफिक वाला.
और उनका जो कैरेक्टर जो उन्होंने रोल किया था, तो उन्होंने जो मतलब ऐसे टेलीविज़न हमने देखा है, बट फेस टू फेस देखना तो बहुत अच्छा लगा ऐसा.
अब दोनों ने कहा कहीं आपने बहुत रिलेट किया. You got emotional while watching.
Yeah, I did.
Please tell us a moment when you got emotional.
जहाँ उन्होंने बोला ना कि one part where he told you gave us birth, that's enough. So at times we forget that, you know, and we always say कि ये नहीं मिला, वो नहीं मिला, but at the end of the day they've given us enough and we should be thankful rather than cribbing over things.
How many stars? How many out of 5? How many stars?
It is 5 on 5. Loved it.
How many stars?
4.5.
5 obviously.
5.
Thank you. Stand up Mr. खुराना. दोनों आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगा क्या बहुत अच्छा लगा.
ये प्ले देख के हम लोग ने अपने आप को कनेक्ट किया बिकॉज मेरी डॉटर है और मैं इसका फादर हूँ, तो हमें इसमें काफ़ी सारे इमोशनल कॉमेडी टाइमिंग एंड बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट एंड कैरेक्टर्स जो भी दे आउटस्टैंडिंग अमेजिंग एंड सुपर्ब थे.
And even I had a very nice time. काफ़ी मज़ा आया, especially because I was with my dad and we could connect to the story. And it was very entertaining, very fun. Every character played very nice. You know, सबका एक ना एक story चल रहा था, सबका performance काफ़ी अच्छा था. So we had an absolute amazing time. And congratulations to Peppy Tales and Sachin Parekh.
एक बहुत important बात भी कही गई है, बहुत important message भी कैरी कर रही है कि संस्कार के बारे में बात करी गई है कि आपने हमें दुनिया में लाया ये. What's your
एक्चुअली देखा जाएगा तो हर कोई फैमिली में एक होता है ना कि जिम्मेदारी होती है, तो मैं ऑलवेज मेरी डॉटर भी इस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही है, तो मैं हमेशा एज ए फ्रेंड, एज ए ब्रदर, एज ए फादर उसको सपोर्ट करता हूँ और हमेशा करते रहूँगा. एंड शी इज़ माई लकी चैम एंड डेफिनेटली डॉटर्स आर वेरी लकी फॉर फैमिली एंड फादर ऑल्सो, तो शी इज़ लकी फॉर मी.
Oh yes, of course. हमें ही समझ नहीं आता, हम कभी हंस रहे कभी रो रहे. हमने एक्चुअली हर एक इमोशन फील कर दिया while watching the play. And yeah, very nice message also कि आजकल जो जनरेशन आगे बढ़ रही है, but that does not mean we forget our roots and our rituals and our culture. So it was very nice to watch the play.
Out of 5 stars, how many stars?
Full 5.
10 on 10.
Yes, amazing show. Thank you so much.